bother you to light this cigarette with your stove? Because it's that bad.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Get off my porch. Get off my land.
I don't think this is the best way to try to get the ladies. Run up on somebody's house, check their mailbox, and ask them on a date.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hey, dude, you got a man?
Can you get away from my door before I let my dog on you?
Hello. Hello.
Can I help you?
Hey, how's it going, young man? I do apologize for setting a dog alarm off. Excuse my tonight. I just hope you don't like dog meat.
Yeah. What can I help you with?
So I've been speaking with everyone in your community for the past 5, 6 weeks now.
Okay.
I don't want you to think that I'm just picking on you here today. I represent Overcoming Obstacles. It's a big outreach program. And what we do, we teach, train, and we motivate minorities from the inner cities to show them how to get away from bad areas, take a chance to enroll in college, stand away from guns, gangs, drugs, and violence. Now, the main reason I joined this program is that I just lost my brother to guns and violence. Now, I'm working.
We're going to have to go back to the old school and start keeping dogs in the yard. And I'm not talking about little Fifi.
We don't have no water. You had to get out of my yard.
I'm gone.
I already got you on camera stealing my shit.
I'm
Get out
gone.
my yard before I shoot you.
Get off of my porch. I'm gonna call the cops. You hear me? Get off my porch.
Let me know what you would do down in the comments. Would you let him get a bottle of water?
You? Why are you on my fucking porch? Why are you on my
Man, I had
fucking
some
porch?
water.
What
I
the
had some
fuck
water.
you doing? Get the fuck off my porch! The fuck?
Hello?
Yo,
What's up?
can I borrow a lighter?
You borrow what?
A lighter. I'm sorry for bothering you. You're the only person with the street lights on, you know what I'm saying? Our porch lights on.
Oh, a light bulb. You say a light bulb?
No, sir. A lighter. You have one of those?
No, I don't.
Have any kind of open flame you could light a cigarette with? Just real quick so I can get walking.
Yeah, no, I don't have one.
Sir, may I bother you to light this cigarette with your stove? Because it's that bad.
Very strange question.
Dude, you realize it's like 6:30 in the morning. You just rang my
No,
doorbell.
I did not, sir. Have a good morning. I am so fucking sorry. I didn't sleep at all last night. Have a good morning.
You too, man.
Make sure you lock up those bikes or at least try to keep them out of sight.
The fuck? No. Give it back. The fuck is your problem? The fuck is your problem?
This guy comes to this door and asks for $4 for some gas. What would you do?
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, I'm sorry to disturb you. My name's Daniel. I just spoke to your neighbors here across the street.
What do you need?
Okay, no trouble. I just moved here to Texas tonight from Montgomery, Alabama. My U-Haul's right over here by this hotel. I have my wife and my son with me. I had my driver's license, phone, ID stolen. We just moved to Cullen Park Apartments. Okay, we've been walking through here for like 2 hours now, and we were trying to see if anybody help us just towards a gallon or two of gas, $4.
I can't right now. It's too late. Everybody's sleeping.
Okay, well, we don't need a ride. I have transportation. Yeah, we were just trying to raise $4 for gas.
Yes, but I can't right now. I'm sorry.
Make sure you grab those packages as soon as possible. And don't forget about your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you
Hello,
can
did you
grab them
just
from.
take my package? You came into my house. What did you take? What did you take? No, you're not sorry. Don't be stealing nobody's shit. No, okay, shit. If I see you there again, I am going to call the cops and you are going to be arrested. Don't ever come to my house. Don't say okay, just don't do it. I don't want to see you again.
Not sure if this guy's really just cold or if he's just trying to be a jerk. Check out how he undresses this doll. If anybody comes to your door claiming that they have your phone, ignore it. It's most likely a trap. This guy comes onto this porch to steal this package, but fortunately a neighbor catches him.
Huh? I'm ringing the bell. I got some more stuff for him too. I got a bunch of stuff I'm selling. I know. I'm ringing the bell. I'm putting it right there. I'm not stealing from him, bro.
He probably has a bag full of packages.
You want to see the stuff I'm selling? You want to see the stuff I'm selling? Oh, I was just showing you.
Hi, Nutty.
Hello. Who you looking for? Hello.
Yeah, I'm looking for Delilah.
Who you looking for?
Delilah?
Nobody named Delilah here.
He's either chasing the magic dragon or looking for somewhere to break in.
Okay.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. These kids do this all day, all night. Also, don't keep any personal items or valuables in your vehicle just in case. Rick's gonna get in trouble for this one.
Get out of my car, you fucking tard! You didn't fucking lock it, Rick!
Try to keep those bikes out of sight or chained up. That's the way these thieves like to get around. And they're also good for resale. Not sure what this guy got going on. He claims to be being followed, but he proceeds to sit down.
Can I help you?
Hey, ma'am, can you call the police, please? I'm being followed.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe out there.
What the fuck are you doing, bro? What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, you fucking are, dog. He's fucking with the tires over here.
What the fuck are you doing, motherfucker? Get the fuck out of here right now.
Who the fuck are
Get
you
the
at?
fuck out of here. No, sorry, my ass. I'm calling the cops right now, motherfucker. Piece of shit. Not here, bro.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.